Prominent Nigerian media personality ORIYOMI HAMZAT has returned to Agidigbo FM amidst cheers and celebrations from his supporters and fans. His return comes after a brief period of absence, marking an emotional moment for both Hamzat and his audience. Known for his fearless journalism and activism, Hamzat has been at the center of controversies over his bold stance on various societal issues. Background on ORIYOMI HAMZAT's return. ORIYOMI HAMZAT had taken a break from his role as the head of Agidigbo FM, a leading media house in Ibadan, Oyo State. During his absence, speculation arose concerning his situation, ranging from legal entanglements to strategic decisions within his career. Many of his supporters, known for their unwavering loyalty, anxiously awaited his return, believing his voice to be a vital force for justice and societal change. Celebration of return. Upon his return, the atmosphere at Agidigbo FM was filled with joy as a large crowd gathered to welcome him back. Traditional drummers, dancers, and community leaders were reportedly present, showcasing the love and respect Hamzat commands from his listeners. Speaking to the enthusiastic crowd, ORIYOMI HAMZAT thanked them for their steadfast support, emphasizing his commitment to advocating for truth and transparency. He promised to continue addressing critical issues impacting society. Challenges leading to absence. Hamzat's career has been marked by clashes with powerful individuals and institutions due to his relentless pursuit of the truth. While specific details of the incident leading to his break from Agidigbo FM remain under wraps, there are reports linking it to controversies surrounding his investigative reports on sensitive matters. What lies ahead? Hamzat's return marks a significant moment for Agidigbo FM, as the station is expected to regain its full momentum in investigative journalism. ORIYOMI HAMZAT has reiterated his commitment to being a voice for the voiceless, assuring his listenership